Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chatsiri, or you can call me Chat for short. I am from Thailand and right now I am living in Germany. And in today's video, I have something new from Fenty Beauty to swatch with you guys. If you guess this, then you are correct. So if you're curious how they look on my lips and my skin tone, then keep on watching. So from the holiday collection, I got 3 different products. I got the Glossy Posse Mini Gloss Balm Collection here, and I got Mini Body Lava in Who Needs Clothes. I love this. I have the trophy wife one, but that one is big, so I'm glad that they came up with the small size so I can take this with me when I travel. And I also got the Mini Stunna Lip Paint in Underdawg. They always come with a funny name. I want to start with the Lipgloss Collection first because I love this lip gloss and I'm sure everybody loves it too, and as you can see I have all of them. Well, the other one I have it in my purse because I wear that pretty often. And I'm so excited that they extend more colors. And the packaging is a metal box, which is good for gifting and safe for traveling. I just took out the one in my backpack so that we will see everything, every shade. But for now I'm gonna start with the new one and I'm gonna swatch them all on my lips. And here I have the Pretty Please. Each one contain 5.5 ml or 0.18 fluid ounce. As the full size contain 9 ml or 0.30 fluid ounce. And here's the Pretty Please. It's really bright pink. So in the bottle it's super bright pink, but on my lips I think it's perfect color that I can wear this alone because my natural lips are dark, but this just add like the nice natural tint of pink to my lips. I love it. The next one is Fussy, which I do have the full size of this shade, so this is not new, so I will skip this. And the next one is called Confetti. It looks really similar to the Diamond Milk, but as you can see it has a different shift. The Confetti has the pinkish shift, as the Diamond Milk just silver, and they all smell like signature gloss bomb scent. Ooh, when I put it on my lips it's turned blue. For some reason this one feels a lot smoother when I apply on my lips. I think that this shade will be a great topper, or if you have natural really bright pink lips then it will look flattering on you. But for me, I mean, it's not bad. I like it if I don't wear any makeup on. I would wear this on the day I don't wear any makeup, or just to like keep my lips hydrated. So it's still pretty, but I think it's, like I say, it will be great as a topper. Next shade is called Hot Chocolate. I really like the name and I'm excited for this shade. this is not bad. I like it. I also like it by itself. Even with this eye look, I think it's kind of gold. What do you guys think? And the last shade we have Cheeky. This is the shade I'm most excited for because it's like neon, peachy, orangey. Is my kind of shade. I really like this one. It's just my speed, and it reminds me of the Fenty Glow shade but more pigment. It's just, I think it's really beautiful. So what do you guys think? And next I'm gonna show you all the swatch of the gloss on my arm for comparison. And now it's time for the Mini Stunna Lip Paint. If I can open it. And just to show you guys how much I like the Stunna Lip Paint, I have every shade except the black one because I don't wear black lipstick, period. And I believe that this shade is gonna be perfect for fall. In this mini size, it contains 2 ml or 0.067 fluid ounce, and in the full size, it contains 4 ml or 0.13 fluid ounce. One thing I want to say though, that because it is small size, so the applicator is actually shorter than the full size. It is harder for me to see where the applicator on my lips, so just to tell you, like, because when I try to apply, the cap will kind of block my vision, so it's harder to get a precise application. But I really love this color. It's just perfect for the fall season. And that is it for videos today. What do you guys think? Did you already pick it up or will you pick it up? I love everything. The gloss one, I love all the shades, even though like the diamond milk and the confetti is super close, but if you apply on the lips as a topper, the shift is different, and when the light reflects, it's different. So, but I love everything. And I also love you guys so much, and thank you for watching my videos today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get more video from me and you'll be the first to know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!